Go to the dog. बदहाल होना. In the struggle of wealth, he went to the dog. Gave up the ghost. मर जाना. The patient gave up the ghost, crying for life. Give a went to. इजहार करना. She gave vent to her love in a flood of tears. Gave up. तर्क कर देना. He must give up smoking because he is sick. Give the devil his due. बुरे शख्स की भी अच्छाइयों का तज़किरा करना. We should give the devil his due because each bad man has many good qualities. Go through. मतालिया करना. We should go through the nature. Go the way of all flesh. मौत का मज़ा चखना. Every creature holding life will have to go the way of all flesh. Go out of one's way. हंसोसी काविश से. She went out of her way to look after me when I was ill. Go hand in hand. साथ साथ. The couple went hand in hand in the garden. Give one a piece of one's mind. मलामत करना. The officer gave the peon a piece of his mind when he came late.